Have you ever heard of a fire tornado? These fiery twisters, also called fire whirls or firenados, are one of nature's most incredible yet terrifying phenomena. They form when intense heat from a wildfire or a large blaze creates rapidly rising hot air. When this hot air combines with turbulent winds, it twists into a spiraling vortex, pulling flames and debris upward into a towering column of fire. Fire tornadoes aren't just visually shocking, they're incredibly destructive. They can reach temperatures over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit and whip winds strong enough to tear through trees and buildings. Unlike traditional wildfires, fire tornadoes move unpredictably and can spread flames across large distances in a matter of seconds.